Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make pickled quail eggs. This recipe is fairly easy. If you happen to enjoy eating quail eggs, you might want to give this a try. So now let's start cooking. We first need to boil some water. Put the quail eggs into the pot while the water is still cold. Cook for around 12 minutes. Turn off the heat and peel them. Wash them clean. Now add 2 spoons of soy sauce, 1 spoon of sesame oil, 1 spoon of sugar. Mice some garlic and add into the bowl. We also need some red chilies, some onions, and some coriander. In the end, add some water. Mix well. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and keep it in the fridge for 6 hours. After 6 hours, it is ready. This is today's cooking recipe. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I will see you guys soon.